A Rohan and his cow raced through the streets. They stopped and Rohan got out of the truck. When he returned, his cow was dead, and there was a stranger in the truck. What happened? Answer. Cow was about to have a baby. The Rohan and cow drove to the hospital. The Rohan left to get a wheel stretcher, but the baby was born in the meantime. The cow did not survive the birth. It was a hot summer Sunday afternoon. Rosie, a 4-year-old baby girl, was walking slowly through the savannah. She spotted a ferocious lion in the distance. Instead of running away or seeking refuge, girl began to run towards the lion. Why didn't she run away? Answer. The girl was at the zoo. Two friends, Rahul and John, bet with each other. Who shows losing weight faster quickly? John enters a room and presses a button. Within seconds, he instantly loses 20 pounds. How did he lose the weight? Answer. The room that John enters is an elevator. When he presses the button, the elevator begins to accelerate downward. This acceleration temporarily changes his apparent weight effectively, helping him lose 20 pounds in seconds. A police got a call saying that a murder is going to happen in a hotel Oasis room number 103. Several voices were heard coming from the other room. There was a lot of confusion. However, when the room was checked, there was only one person inside. This person is not crazy. So what's going on? Answer. Call is fake call, and other voices that were heard were coming from a TV. In a Cobra night lounge, James' friends were in a party celebrating James' birthday party. One of his friends shouts on the server, leads to fight between them. At the time, one of his friend, Ruhi, was also hurted. After some time, everyone enjoying the party in a pleasant mood, Robert enters into the lounge. Everyone drops the glasses, forks, spoons from their hands and ran away. What happened? Answer. Robert was the name of the reticulated python who escaped from the local zoo and found himself entering the lounge. A detective came to a David body. A body is lying in front of a restaurant. Last night there were full of sounds and sparkles seen at the spot and no blood found, but morning a body seen. All other people surrounding that area were working as usual without any distractions. The detective then goes towards the restaurant, have a coffee and came back. Detective, keep that body on his car and move from there. Why? Answer. David body is a car body shed. Detective came there to change his car body. A group of robbers kidnapped and moving 10 members of a family to other place via big ocean. One of the family member escaped and jumped without any safety guards, but not died for many days. How? Answer. Robbers kidnapped was 10 fishes of same family. One fish jumped into water and escaped.